Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto or Bitcoin from PayPal to your Binance account. So first of all, you just have to launch your PayPal mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now on the home page, you need to tap on the Finances tab and then you need to tap on Cryptos. Then you need to select that particular crypto which you want to transfer or sell. So let's say you want to transfer Bitcoin. So you simply need to tap on Bitcoin, and after that you will be able to see the buy and the sell option in the bottom. So over here you need to tap on the sell option and then you will be able to see the transfer button in the bottom where you can either send and receive your Bitcoin. So here you need to tap on the send button and then you will be landed on this send page where in the search bar it will ask you to provide the BTC address. So in order to find the address, you just have to launch your Binance mobile application. Then you just have to tap on the deposit button on the home page. After that, you will have to select the option of deposit crypto and then you will be landed on this type of page where you need to select BTC and then it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address of BTC. So you just have to copy the address from here, then come back to this page and paste the address in this section. After that, you just have to enter the amount of BTC that you want to transfer and then you just have to tap on the send Bitcoin option in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily make transfer or transfer your crypto from PayPal to Binance. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.